Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update and share some pretty major news with you. I've been doing a lot of thinking recently about my life and what I enjoy and what I want to get out of it. And as you probably know, I absolutely love going on these cycling and bikepacking films and making them for YouTube and running this channel. And I've said for years, in an ideal world, that would be what I just do full time because I love it so much. And I think I'm pretty good at it. I started off pretty rubbish, but over the years I've just got better and found myself really enjoying the process of getting better. So, what have I done today? Something pretty major. I've quit my job. Literally like 15 minutes ago. I'm in Leeds at the moment, just cycled out from the city centre to a park, just so that I can kind of mull it over really. But the main reason for wanting to do that is because I've just really been disengaged over the last however many years. Working for other people, I've had all these ideas running around through my head that I just want to execute and do. But to be honest with you, it's been a lack of confidence. That's the main reason why I haven't done it. But over the last few years, I really do think I've stumbled across what it is that I want to do. So what does this mean for you, a subscriber to the channel? Well, it means I'm going to be bringing out more bikepacking, cycling content and better quality content. I've been organising this in my spare time, basically evenings and weekends, and I've grown the channel to a reasonable size. I think it's done pretty well considering the amount of time I've had to spend on it, whereas now I have more time to put more effort in and spend more time making it better. There's been a few times over the past couple of years, especially since having my children, where I've just been so tired I've rushed a video, where I thought I could have made that so much better if I'd have just had an extra day or two, and it's just been really hard to organise. So obviously I've got more time there, but that's not all I'm going to be doing because quite frankly that's not enough. I'm not going to be able to survive on that. I'm going to need more money coming in. And away from all the bikepacking stuff, I am starting my own dedicated video and media business. It's called 366 Media. And in that, I'm going to be doing videography services, drone services, video editing, and all the social media stuff that I have been doing with my own channel over the years. I'm basically passing that on to businesses and brands. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about that is there's probably people watching who have connections, maybe friends or family or other businesses they've worked for that could use that sort of thing. And if that is the case, please do let me know. I've left a Google form in the description. If you want to fill that out, it literally take you 20 seconds. That would be massively appreciated. I really appreciate all of the support that all of you have given me over the years. And I know with a bit of hard work and a bit of luck, I'm going to be able to make it work. And as always, I am always open to suggestions. I got some really good ideas from a lot of my subscribers who've subscribed to my newsletter. I put out a post a couple of months ago basically saying this is what I wanted to do, and I had loads of really lovely replies that were really helpful. So if you have any thoughts, any feedback at all, please do let me know in the comments or fill in that form that I mentioned. I'd love to hear from you. Wish me luck, and thank you very much for watching.